Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using a laptop that's slower than your grandma's gossip circle? Well, let me introduce you to the HP 17.3-inch laptop, a beast of a machine that's about to change the way you work and play. This laptop is lightning fast, and I mean it, with an Intel Core processor that advances real-world computing and delivers more ultra-efficient multitasking for your busy days. Imagine being able to edit photos and videos seamlessly, with vibrant, crystal-clear images on the FHD IPS display, and with 178-degree wide viewing angles, you can enjoy everything else in your digital world with stunning visuals. The Intel Iris Xe graphics integrated into this laptop levels up your creating, gaming, and entertainment with impressively crisp, stunning visuals. And with 512GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD, you get storage that performs up to 15x faster than a traditional hard drive. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's well reviewed, which says a lot about its performance and reliability. With 16GB DDR4 RAM memory, you get memory that boosts your productivity with higher bandwidth. And with Windows 11 Home, you get a fresh perspective on how to think, express, and create in a natural way. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a gamer, this laptop has got you covered, with its ability to multitask, create, and entertain, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and fast laptop. The feel of the keyboard, the sound of the speakers, and the look of the display all come together to provide a great user experience. So, if you're in the market for a new laptop, I highly recommend giving the HP 17.3-inch laptop a try. You won't be disappointed. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.